I'm Andy DeCrane with Ajax Paving. I'm the Executive Vice President of Operation. We're using Teleo at 2 of our asphalt facilities to remote operate the loader which feeds the plant. Well, technology is going to advance in the construction industry, and we're hoping that it helps fix some of the labor workforce problems. This is going to allow us to not only staff the facility, but just local folks, but we can do remote working from other places around the state. The feedback we're getting from the operators is all positive. Even some of the older generation operators that aren't involved in gaming and technology on their day-to-day routine, they've picked it up within 20-25 minutes.
My name is Dan Maitland with Ajax Paving. I'm the fleet manager. I would say I'm very proud that we're the first to implement autonomous loaders in the asphalt industry. That is exciting.
The type of work we're doing with the Teleo loader is loading the asphalt facility. The Teleo technology helps us on the staffing side, especially when someone calls in sick. We'll have the ability to remote operate from the 3 Teleo stations at the 2 asphalt facilities.
So one of the things that was exciting about Teleo is that they're willing to come to your industry and learn your business. Teleo came to us, came on site, watched, observed, met with operators, met with key personnel, and then began to address the needs of the customer. So if you're worried about, oh, that's not my industry. Well, if you run heavy equipment, you have a loader, you're the industry.
Being able to integrate machinery and technology that is going to make people's lives easier is definitely important to a person's mental health.
Teleo can improve the mental well-being and physical well-being of our operators. It's a very stressful job. I think if you take a lot of the physical aspects out of it, it helps the mental state of our operators.
One of the unintended positive gains, if you will, would be a decreased cost in maintenance by using Teleo if we're doing this correctly down the road, because now we're running the machines only when we truly need to run them. At the end of the day, just being more efficient with our machines is going to lower the maintenance costs because we're going to get more production out of them and put less hours on them. Being on the cutting edge, obviously, the possibilities are endless.